Hello friends, subscribe my channel QCard. Describe a creative person you admire. Talk about these topics. She is, how do you know him her, what creativity, things she has done, and explain why you think he or she is creativity. Let's start. We see many people in our lives, but some people stay in our minds from some reasons. I know a person who is a good painter. I want to talk about my childhood friend Ashish, who I feel is a very talented painter. I have known him since my childhood. We met in school and he was my classmate and best friend. I first witnessed his creativity after the art competition. After I saw how well he drew, I asked if he could draw my portrait. He gave a positive reactions and told me he will try it. Next morning he came to school with drawing and called me to show it. I was surprised to see myself in the drawing. He had put so much effort into it and I could see so much detailing in the drawing. I love it. I like to appreciate the people with good talent. People with really good creativity are hard to find at such a young age. He had so much creativity that he gave the importance to all the minutes things while drawing. Now he has choose his passion as his career, and I am very happy to see that he is enjoying what he does. Conclusion: the portrait that he gave me is still with me, and I have framed it and I kept with me. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.